Hi, I'm at the Forest Creek subdivision. So right now they're just building here. There's a lot of noise. Most of these cottages are over 500, so they've done a lot of add-ons. But this is going to be a really pretty area. Back behind there, there's a creek back here. And I had the opportunity to tour some of these. They're pretty amazing. I may come back on the weekend when not so many workers are here. But one of the things they do here, so I think this one is close to 600,000, which I know is above what you want to pay. 125 Forest Creek. But when we got to tour these, it's this really nice feature that they have, that they pretty much include, sorry it's so bumpy with all the homes, is this back porch. With a nice like fire pit. That's a really cool addition. It's extra because the homes are more expensive. But what's nice is it's going to have an area behind it. It's more of a greenway. So this is going to be one of the newer subdivisions that's just getting started. But you'll see that every home has that back porch. Some of these are very big and have basements. Majority of them are 2-level. But he said they start in the 500s. So they're all going to have the open kitchens, set up for canned lights. Majority of them have like a master on the main. The bathroom. This is obviously not, it's going to be a big closet up at the front. Nice doors. That's just a little idea of what it's nice because it's going to be wooden steps. So these are quality homes here. That's just a little idea of what's going on at Forest Creek.